When you pack light, sometimes you have to wear something more than once. So you have to do laundry. Let me show you how to pack the perfect travel laundry kit. Hello, welcome. And for those returning to our channel, welcome back. We are Wayne Melissa Travel, a 50-plus couple sharing our adventures in budget travel.
Y'all, this is the third time I've started this video. I've actually done 3 complete videos. 1, my SD card filled up. 2, I connected the audio incorrectly. And 3, I don't know, the light wasn't on. So, third time's a charm. Let's get it. This is my laundry bag. It's very similar to my bedside table nighttime bag, but this is my laundry bag. This is the bag I've chosen to put all my laundry stuff in. If I know I need to do laundry on the road, this is the bag I pull. And it happens when I go for places up to a week or more, because I'll bring a capsule wardrobe, so I know I'll have to do at least 1 load of laundry while I'm gone. So let's go over everything that's in my laundry bag. First thing is my collapsible hangers. Most of your accommodations will have hangers, but they may not have the right kind of hanger. They may have wire hangers that don't really hold anything, everything slips off. So it's nice to have hangers that will fold out to full size. So you can hang a jacket or a sweater or a shirt. It has these little cutouts, so you can put tank tops, bra straps, and then they just fold up. I find that 2 is plenty because I typically don't do a full load of laundry, but I'll use the hangers they have, or I'll use my clothing line. And then if I only have a couple things to wash out, I will use these. So these are great. These are laundry sheets. You've seen these soap sheets before for washing your hands, but this is designed for laundry. So I just put maybe 3 or 4 of these in a full load of in the washing machine. If I'm doing hand washing, I'll just put 1 or 2 in the sink. And typically you will have a washing machine, but very rarely will you have a dryer. So you don't have any way to add a nice scent to your clothes if that's something that you like. I found these at Dollar Tree, and these are little beads. You throw them into the washing machine, and it has a nice aroma in the clothing. So when they're hanging to dry, they smell good. And then when you're wearing them, they smell fresh and nice. So you just add these to the washing machine. And then finally, I have my clothing line. There are a variety of options out there for a clothing line. I particularly like this one. It comes with its own pouch, which you know I'm a pouch girl. The other thing I like is it comes with its own hooks. So each end has a hook. And this little rubber stopper fell off this one. All right, put that back up. All right, so I have found the best way to hang things up is put this in a door hinge. For some reason, the door hinges are just located in a good spot, or in a window hinge. You can use the clothing pole or the shower rod, whatever you can come up with. It's nice to have this hook option. And if it's too long, then you can loop it around and then hook it to the middle of the rack to shorten it, the middle of the line to shorten it. You get really creative when you need to dry your clothes. The other thing I like about this one is these clips. These clips hold your clothing, a pair of socks, some pants, a shirt, hanging your pants by the hem. It's easier, it takes up less space on your line. But these have weights on them. You just push this in and it moves it back and forth. The reason that's important is if you have a line that's has 2 pairs of men's pants on it, let's say, the weight when you put the pants on will do this. And so if you don't have these weights, then all of your hooks are going to end up in the same place, and your clothes will not be separated out, and they won't dry. So find one that has weights and clips would be my recommendation. I did try a clothing line once. It was a long string or long webbing, and the idea was you slide, you pinch a piece of the clothing and put it inside the webbing, and that would hold it, and then it would dry. You wouldn't have to have the weight and bulk of clips and weights. The problem with that is the weight of the fabric when it's wet just pulled right out of that line. So it became useless. So after me trying other things, this is what I have landed on. It's my favorite setup. I think it will be yours too. As always, I will put links in the description below. And just once again, we appreciate you using our links. If you use our links to get to Amazon, but you choose not to purchase anything and maybe you purchase something else, as long as you arrived at Amazon through one of our links, we still benefit from your purchase, regardless if you buy something that we recommend or not. So we thank you very much for using our Amazon links. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. I hope it was helpful.
We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great